Hello students, welcome back to the channel. This is the second video will be conducted in English medium students. Today, especially I am going to talk about a serious topic would be interesting for any kind of students. Here I am meaning of any kind of students means it's no problem whether you are in grade 6, whether you are in grade 7 or you are in grade 8 or you are in grade 10 or you are in GCE O level standard level. No matter, in mathematics there will be a huge and very valuable concept calling factorize. Factorize, or we will say factors. Today I am going to talk about some interesting facts about factors, and let's try to do some simple questions. That means we are going to factorize some expressions. First of all, let's try to get some idea about what is factorization or what is meaning by factors. Factors means can be simply expressed as the product. The product means multiplication. That means if we can rearrange any given expression as a multiplication of two terms, it will be called as factorization, or it will be called as the factors. That is very simple. Let's try some examples. Let's try number 6. Number 6. How can we rearrange number 6 by only using multiplication? I can simply write down 6 into 1. Yes. Are there any other ways? Yes, of course. We can write down 2 into 3. Are there any other ways? Yes. Someone can say, what about 1 into 6? 1 into 6. No problem, it will create the number 6. But this is the same thing as the first one. 6 into 1 is going to be exactly the same 1 to 1 into 6. There's no point into writing back 1.6. Sorry, 1 into 6. Therefore, if anyone can say, what about 3 into 2? No problem, yes, 3 into 2 will create 6. But we have mentioned before 2 into 3. There's no point into write down 3 into 2 again. So I'm going to neglect those parts. Okay. Then I can write this 6 as 6 into 1 and 2 into 3. Therefore, I can write 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the factors of number 6. That's it. Factorizing is that simple. Right, let's try another example. What about number 12? Let's factorize number 12. Can you rearrange number 12 as a product? Let's try. The easiest way I can write is 12 is equals to 12 into 1. Yes. Are there any other ways? Yes, of course. 6 into 2. Are there any other ways? Yes, of course. 4 into 3. Are there any other ways? I guess no. What about 1 into 12? Yes. What about 2 into 6? Of course, yes. What about 3 into 4? Yes, it will create 12. But we have mentioned it before. 1 into 12 is exactly the same thing, 12 into 1. 2 into 6 is exactly the same thing into 6 into 2. 3 into 4 is exactly the same thing to 4 into 3. There's no point into writing them back. Right? Then I can write down 12 is equals 12 into 1, correct? 6 into 2, correct? 4 into 3. Therefore, I can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the factors of number 12. This is the factorization. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the factors of number 12. Let's try another example. I will get some large number 100. What do you say? Can we factorize number 100? Let's give it a try. The simple method is 1 into 100. 1 into 100. Okay, another way? Yes, 10 into 10, correct. Are there any other ways? Of course, yes. What about 25 into 4? 25 into 4 will create 100. Yes, therefore 25 and 4 definitely going to be the factors of 100. Yes. Are there any other ways? Of course, yes. What about 20 into 5? Yes, it will create 100. What about 50 into 2? Yes, it will also create 100. Are there any other ways? We just write down 1 into 100, 10 into 10, 25 into 4, 20 into 5 and 50 into 2. I guess we have write down all the factors of 100. When we factorize something, we have to write down all the factors of that number. Therefore, I can write down factors of 100 should be 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20, 25, 50 and 100 are the factors of the value number 100. Right. For the previous examples, you can understand when the number is getting higher, there will be large amount of factors. That means when you factorize some small numbers, you will have some 2 or 3 or 4 factors. But when you factorize some large numbers, you will be here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we have 8 factors. 8 factors. That means number 100 has 8 factors. But the first example we got, I guess number 6. But number 6 has, let's go to the example. Number 6 has only 4 factors. 1, 2, 3 and 6. Right. This is a very simple method or very simple mathematical process calling factorization or finding the factors. At the end of the video, I will give some numbers to factorize you guys and tell me whether you got it or not. Right. This is the end of today's video. Thank you very much for your time. Have a nice day.